The LEXT OLS5100 Laser Confocal Scanning Microscope can help you simplify your testing and measurement workflow with smart, easy-to-use features and highly accurate measurement data. Equipped with dedicated LEXT objectives designed for surface metrology, the OLS5100 laser microscope can detect a stepped height difference as small as 6 nanometers. The MEMS scanner enables the system to scan through surfaces at high resolution. For better image quality, 4K lateral scanning is the default scanning mode. Even when resolving structures as small as 120 nanometers, you will still get clear images. The system's precision measurements are balanced with speed. With the peak algorithm, the OLS5100 laser microscope can collect data in the tens of microns range in just a few seconds. For even faster results, skip scan mode enables the system to measure a 1 mm step height difference in just 20 seconds. Operating the system is easy. You can capture 3D data automatically just by clicking the Start button. The Smart Scan function will automatically optimize the imaging settings, helping minimize variation between different operators. Analyzing data is also easy. With just a few clicks, the software can quickly quantify surface topography, including the step height, line width, and surface roughness. To make your workflow more efficient, you can use the system's macro function with the Smart Experiment Manager to input commands and automate your measurement tasks. The system also makes trial and error experiments easier by enabling you to change condition settings on the fly, while the Tolerance Judgment function enables pass-fail judgments at a glance. Using these features can reduce your operation time by as much as 30% compared to the conventional method. Take your surface metrology to the next level with the LEXT OLS5100 3D Laser Confocal Scanning Microscope. Experience the accuracy, ease of use, and efficiency of the LEXT OLS5100 Laser Microscope for yourself. To learn more, visit evidentscientific.com or contact your local sales representative.